Now more than ever, sales and marketing teams need a partner that saves time, improves insights, and helps drive revenue. With Insightly's AI Copilot, you can do just that. It's your AI-powered assistant built to help your team work smarter, sell faster, and close more deals. Copilot delivers the answers you need, helping you prioritize leads, identify upsell opportunities, and tailor every touch point. Copilot also makes it a snap to create replies and reminders that help you stay on track. It can help you draft messages and create tasks so your team stays focused, not buried in admin work. With Copilot, sales teams save hours every week, freeing them up to focus on customers and drive revenue. Insightly's AI Copilot is built with security and compliance in mind, so your customer data stays safe while your team stay productive. Copilot will help you and your team work smarter, deliver better customer experiences, and grow with confidence.